Bypass ito?
Over there.
Oy, wala yun. Saan yun, Papa? It's like a new road?
Oh, going to Alicia.
Going to another town. That used to not be there, that road. So they just built that. So that's kind of like that's a pretty upgrade. Yeah, kind of like it. So this is kind of like the same as everywhere else. Okay, there you go. The rice farm, rice field, guys, on the right. Yeah. Ayan, that's the like the resort. Laki. These have been planted. Yep. So this is the MP side is the left side. Oh, this is a swimming pool, like kind of a resort type of thing. Like people go for their birthdays. And it's like a private resort, so you can rent it. Fish pond is right here.
Right here they have tilapia.
Yeah, you see all the So these are all farm. That's pretty common here. That's why there's not really fishing. It's farming. Farming fish is more common. Gosh. It's caribou.
That's a buffalo.
Not caribou.
We can't use a buffalo.
Wait, so
in
this
house.
little thing right here, that's rice?
No, so you. Yuri. Fish pond? Ah, it's like it's a pond.
Nice.
Pwedeng biling ganon. Bumili dito ganon. Ano yan kuya? Year round or like
3 months din.
3 months? Ah. Hello po. Yeah. So they're... Ay, ito natapos na.
Oh, tapos
okay.
na.
So after they plant it, then they do the fertilizing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ilang beses magpa-fertilize?
3
3 times
times.
they fertilize.
Mm-hmm.
Hey! Tagalada ka dyan, Amerika.